Hello and welcome to the Yorkshire Gardener's daily gardening tip of the day. These are new and they're going to be posted every day, so make sure you subscribe to the channel or come back to the website every day to have a look for the new daily tip. If you're on YouTube, the website is www.theyorkshiregardener.com. Today's daily tip is about watering. Yes, another one about water. Watering cans can be so expensive to purchase, and I don't know if you're like me, you're always losing the rose end. You put it down to take off to water the ends of the plants. So a cheap watering can to purchase. In fact, you can get one for free, as we mostly all have these. What you need to do is get a milk carton, 4 litre one, where you get your milk in, and just drill some tiny holes in the cap in the top and create like a sprinkler system, and then you can fill it up, walk around with it and just sprinkle your seeds and your plants with that. And obviously you can fill up multiple ones, and they're sometimes a lot easier to hold than a watering can, because watering cans can be too heavy. So that has been today's daily tip on watering. Thanks for watching and make sure you stay tuned for tomorrow's.